Hello and welcome to another episode of Practical IT. I'm Jeremy and today we are going to be looking at some news including the Raspberry Pi 4. Let's switch over to our browser and get started. The Raspberry Pi 4 has finally been announced, and previously it was thought that it was not going to arrive until 2020. Surprise, surprise. Evan Upton, thank you for surprising us. Looking at the official Raspberry Pi site, we can see that the new version of the Pi at the 1 gigabyte memory option is going to continue to be available at the $35 price. There's also a 2 gigabyte and 4 gigabyte model that will be available for $45 and $55 US respectively. Big changes. They've upgraded the processor. It is now based on a 28 nanometer process, and it's received some other modifications as well. We've also got USB-C for power, 2 micro HDMI ports, which will support 2 4K monitors. USB 2 ports, there's 2 of them, and 2 USB 3 ports, and we get full gigabit speed Ethernet this time around. So they've got various things on their homepage. The main changes being the power supply, the faster processor, RAM options, and multiple monitors at 4K are all very welcome additions to a solid, if not somewhat limited, previous models. Having just worked on a video wall project, I am going to be watching this very closely to see if future versions of that software will support running 2 monitors off from a Raspberry Pi 4. So that will be an interesting experience there. So they've got full specifications, Broadcom BCM 2711, quad core, 64-bit at 1.5 gigahertz. The Bluetooth has been upgraded to 5.0. The 40-pin GPIO pin is fully backward compatible. We've got 2 micro HDMI ports, as previously mentioned, 2-lane MIPI DSI DisplayPort, and a camera port, 4-pole stereo audio and composite video, H.265 decode, H.264 decode at 1080, OpenGL ES 3.0, memory card slot, micro SD, and that has received a bump in the read-write speed, power over Ethernet capable, and requires a separate PoE hat. And that brings us down to the software. Beginners should start with noobs. And as always, when a new version of the Raspberry Pi comes out, a couple things. First, it will be available in limited quantities to start. And second, not all existing software will work on it at the beginning. It will take a few months for the various software publishers to get things updated for the new hardware. Other places featuring reviews of the Raspberry Pi include cnet.com and, of course, Ars Technica. So head over to your favorite news site or the official Raspberry Pi site and read up on what is to come in this space. Alright, so now that we've covered the Raspberry Pi, I just want to make a quick mention. This being the last week of June 2019 and the last week of the first half of 2019, I am on track to get 5 videos out this week. This will bring my grand total videos for the first half of the year up to a nice round 50. This is meeting the goal I set at the beginning of the year, and you can look for another 50 videos to come out the second half of the year. So stay tuned this week. There will be more exciting videos to come, and if additional news breaks on the Raspberry Pi 4, I will be sure to bring that to you as well. I do plan on purchasing one of these, but it may take a couple of weeks for me to get my hands on one, depending on availability when I place the order. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. More videos coming up this week. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell icon for notifications. Feel free to leave comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great Monday.